Hello, my name is Luisa Maria Avila Gutierrez. I am married. I am from the city of Fusagasugá. I am 26 years old. I am teacher. I am studying pharmacy regents at University UNA. I live in city Fusagasugá. In my free time, I like to spend time with my family. What activities do you do every day? I get up at 6 o'clock and then I have a shower and breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? I usually eat cereal and fruit. Where do you work and how do you head to work? I work at school and it usually the bus bit. Do you prepare your own lunch? What do you usually have for lunch? Yes, I prepare my lunch. It is for lunch salad and proteins. What time do you go back home? I go back home is fine in the afternoon. What do you do after work or school? I clean in my house. I eat a bread. What time do you eat dinner? I had dinner at 7 at night. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9:30 at night. What do you do on weekends? I visit my family on weekends. When do you owe? What do you usually do in your town city? I like to sport and shopping. What is typical food in your city? The typical food in city with arepa. The typical food in my city is bara with arepa. What are the main celebrations in your city town? The main celebrations in my city are fair and parties and dance festivals.